Otis. I've seen this elevator too, I just haven't been on it. So I gotta make this quick because I gotta recharge. Oh, beautiful. TA? I guess that's the bottom. Hello? Someone's got a side door. Uh-oh. Tall thing and dirty. No floor passing chime. Just see? Did we stop or? I guess we'll find out. Oh, I guess it's for leveling it, see. Alright, motor. Jeez, okay, Westinghouse leveling. And someone needs the elevator. Okay, that's it.